To add a PayPal button to your GoDaddy website, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and accessing your website builder. Navigate to the page where you want to add the PayPal button and click on the Add section or Add Block option. Depending on your website builder version, select the HTML or custom code option from the available choices and click on it to add a new section. You will be given a space to paste your custom code, which in this case will be the PayPal button code. To get the PayPal button code, log into your PayPal account and go to the Merchant Services tab. Click on the PayPal buttons option and select the type of button you want to create, such as a Buy Now or Donate button. Enter the required information, such as the item name and price, and click on the Create Button option. PayPal will generate a code for your button, which you can copy and paste into the HTML section of your GoDaddy website. Make sure to select the entire code, including the script tags, and paste it into the HTML section. Click on the Apply or Save option to save the changes and preview your website to see the PayPal button in action. It is essential to test the button to ensure it is working correctly and directs customers to the PayPal payment page. You can test the button by clicking on it and verifying that it takes you to the PayPal payment page with the correct item information. By following these steps, you can easily add a PayPal button to your GoDaddy website and start accepting payments from your customers. Remember to keep your website and PayPal account up to date to ensure a smooth payment process.